check this path. Stay here, keep it down.
Preparing a haunted attraction is a lot like being on a movie set. Growth in technology usually makes things easier. Ashley Robles, who has a degree in special makeup effects, explains it's not as easy as it seems.
With today, with HD quality and everything like that, that's where everything is starting to come in, and you have to do it better than whatever, anything. You know, you have to make it look, if it looks good for you and your eye, then your audience will believe it. Where before you didn't have that, you know, and you could have had edges showing and all sorts of stuff. Nowadays, it's, you know, you gotta work a little harder.
Having the right look isn't the only challenge. You have to play the part.
The people that look genuinely nervous are always fun to scare, because then you know you're really gonna get them good.
At this Halloween festival, the zombies do more than scare people. They perform. Air Force Staff Sergeant Jennifer Stye, Camp Humphreys, Korea.